Hi guys, good day, it's me, Arvin Miculob, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see guys that I've already been prepared na, like you can able to see na nag-bronze na ko, na foundation na ko, then on flick na akong kilay. And also, kanang something, wala pa yung kulay ng aking lips at saka yung mata ko kasi yes, for today's videos, we will be going to let the wheel of colors to decide what colors of our shadow that we're going to apply. And okay, so if you are new to my channel, so by the way, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para naman ma-notify ka sa mga bagong update sa bagong update ng post ko at or ng video ko. At saka pwede ko rin mag-like at mag-comment sa baba anong masasabi niyo sa video na to, and hope you enjoy watching and watch till the end, and I hope you will be enjoy. Okay, hi, and we're back. So for this, since we already set our bases in our face, and for that, maglalagay muna ako ng baking powder from Nishido. Yes, para naman while magkaroon tayo or maglalagay tayo ng eyeshadow sa ating mata, so at least nagbe-bake na yung ating mukha. And just get a little amount. And yes, so we're done already applying baking powders in our face, and for that we're going now to start to play our eyeshadows, or we're going to let this app decide the colors that we're going to use in our shadow. And with that, you can able to go to if you're using an Android, go to browser or Google Chrome, or if you're using an iPhone, you can able to just visit this website at Safari. And the name of the app that I will be going to use is that spin wheel. Okay, let it focus. Spin wheel, that app, yes, this one, where wheel of colors. Then isa-slide natin to, or i-spin natin to, then yan tayo magpipili ng anong kulay na ating gamitin, or let this our fingers select our colors. Okay, so by the way, gagamitin ko pala na eyeshadow palette is from Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me Eyeshadow Tray. Yes, kasi ito lang din yung eyeshadow palette ko na may maraming colors, and we can assure that we can able to get the selected colors here, or the colors that we're going to pick from the Wheel of Colors app. Yes, so let's start. And so for our magsimula muna ako dito sa my inner corner. So let's to spin it. Spin, 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 spin. Blue. Yes, so kasi blue yung gusto niya. We're going to use this blue color. This one. And we're going to fill that in our inner corner. At saka by the way, dito muna sa side at magpo-focus ako maglalagay ng shadows, at gagawin ko lang dito na part of off cam para naman mapalesen natin time duration ng ating video. Yes, that's it. And now we're going to go to the middle part of the eye and let the wheel of color decide what color we're going to use. Oh, she picked light blue. So this is my light blue, so this will be the one to be put in the middle of our eye, or now rather in our crease. And I will just going to use the same brush because I'm totally comfortable using this brush because I have a limited eye brush, and the technique in order for this previous color not to be filled up to the color that we're going to apply is that yes, swipe it in your arms in order for there will be no uh, mixture of colors. We're going to use the light blue shade as what the wheel of color picked. And by the way, we're going to make a chica. So that's the reason why I come up with this idea. I have a lot of ideas that I will be going to do, but I'm afraid also that I can be able or not able to do it. So, and then I am totally grateful that I came up in this idea. Yes. So that's why I think I am the one, or I am the first doing this, letting the wheel of color decide the color of our eyeshadow. But I'm not sure for that. Just a disclaimer. And if someone does before me, I will be just going to provide a link. And if not, so yes, I'm so grateful for that. That I'm the first one to do this kind of challenge. Yes, and that's now our color of our middle crease from the color of light blue. And afterwards, we're going now to our outer crease, and we're going to pick a color cyan. Yes, I'm curious why always in a shade of blue yung napipili ko. So we don't have the right to change that one because that's the fingers or the wheel decides to which color we're going to use. And since it is asking for a cyan, and I think this is the cyan color. Yes, this one, and that will be the one to put in our outer crease. Oh my gosh, nito na ako guys, parang magkapareho lang sila ng kulay ni Cyan at ni light blue. Pero laban lang. Kasi ito yung kulay na napili natin. Okay, and yes, that's now the output of the cyan color. And the next color that we're going to use for our outer innermost, or in this above of our upper lashes, the color that we're going to choose will be it's light blue once again, and we're not going to use that one since it's already been in our eye. The next one will be, oh my god, why always the same color, light blue? Okay, so I will be going to do it counterclockwise, or I mean sorry, clockwise rather, in order for us to select another color. Blue, ang tagal-tagal nito. Hindi mo na. Dito naman counterclockwise. Yes, deep orange. Deep orange, and the deepest orange that I have here is this one. Yes, and this will be the one to put in our outer innermost corner ng ating upper ating upper eyelash. Yes. And to be honest guys, yung mga kulay na nakukuha ko or yung mga klase na shadow na nakukuha ko ay puro mga shimmer type. Yes. But natatawa ako sa look na ito kasi inverted yung kulay. Supposed to be yung darker na siya dapat nasa outer crease, pero nandun na so nandun na yung ang nakakatuwa nito kasi supposed to be dapat nasa outer crease yung dark blue or yung blue colors. Ang nakaiba lang dito kasi nandito na sa inner crease yung kulay. Yes. So that one. Yes, so that's the color of the deep orange that we filled up in our in our outer innermost or above the eye crease, or my god, in the above of our, and the outer crease, the inner outer crease of our eye. Yes, yun pala. So nabubulol na ako rito, hindi ko na, I'm not totally good in directions. Yes. So ayan na po. And for that, we're going to fill out also colors above these shadows para naman maganda siyang tignan. And also we're going to let the wheel of colors decide the color that we're going to use, and I will do it in clockwise. Amber or amber. Yes, so since amber yung kulay, and the color amber that I will be going to use will be this one. Yes, may something or yellow orange na kulay. And I will be going to use this brush, the brush that I used before. I'm so sorry, this brush is the one that I used in my outer innermost corner of my upper eyelash, this one. And I will be going to blend that here. Yes, that's it. And for our innermost portion of our eye, so we're going to let the wheel of colors once again to decide which color that we're going to use. Oh, balik-balik to sayang. So we're not going to use this color since it's already been here. So let's look for another. Oh, red. It's picking red. So since it's picking red, I will be going to use this red color in here. My gosh. And I will be going to use this tip brush para naman lagay natin siya na sure dito sa my inner corner. Oh my god. Yes, that's the output. And now, so we're going to go in our lower inner corner of our lash line. So we're going to pick a color. Orange. She is telling that we're going to use an orange. And yeah, so since it's asking for an orange, so this will be the orange color that we're going to use. And I will be going to use this brush, the one that we used before in our upper crease. And we're going to fill that in our inner corner. Yes, so that's it. And now, so we're going to choose for our outer lower portion of our lash line, and the color will be okay. So since it's in a teal color, okay, and I will be going to look for a teal, and this is the teal color that we're going to use. Yes, this one, this teal, and we're going to fill that one in our outer lower corner ng ating lower lash line. Yes, that's it. And for that, para naman magkaroon siya ng gradient glow dito sa my lower lash line, so we're going to select another color. Spin, 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 spin. Amber, but we're already done using amber. So let's proceed to another color. Oh, red again. It's almost in pink, but since it's still red, so just another color. How many times this color sign always be picked? So let's proceed to another color. Red once again. So now we're going to do counterclockwise para naman baka may mapikta yung ibang kulay. Yellow. So since mayroon tayong yellow, and I will be going to use this brush. And this color yellow, we're going to fill that one in our lower lash line. And yes, so that's now our final eye look. Yes, as you can see that one. And for that, I will be going to do off cam putting a mascara and also a liquid eyeliner. Then also I will be going to fill up this part also and put in some highlighter, and that's it off. And we will be right back.
I choose you too cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a
Okay, so we're back now, and to be honest, oh my god, I'm totally obsessed with these looks, and I'm so thankful that I not turned these eyeshadows into mess while we're depending on the color wheel or wheel of color. Yes, so that's now my finished look. I've already done with my lips off camera po kasi para para mapadali itong video na to. And I'm using a lipstick. First is this from Ever Belena in the shade of Aura liquid lipstick, and also this matte in lipstick from Detail Cosmetics, which is in the shade of Femi or the D17. Yes. And for this, hope you enjoy watching my videos, and for that, if you have any comments or suggestions regarding with this video, so don't hesitate to comment in the comment box below. And also please don't use any hate words or bash words. We don't allow that one here because we don't want to spread negativity, but a color and also a happiness in all of us. So bye bye for now. Always take care and love.